Hello, I'm glad to share that I have participated recently at national level competitions, and I have been awarded the best artist for the competition which I participated at Independence Day, and ranked 7th for the current COVID awareness art competition which was held recently on 12th of September. So people asked me at my social network that what made my painting, stand in those competitions. What did I do differently? So today I thought of sharing the secret behind it. The secret to art is expression. And it's being said that art form, painting, is the best way to express anything, because you can express any emotions in your painting which you cannot express while talking or while writing. And it's not me who says this, but it's been said by Rabindranath Tagore. Did you know that Rabindranath Tagore was an artist and he used to paint also? Although he started painting late, he started painting at the age of 35 or 36, and it was said by him that painting you can by writing or by talking. So what I think behind whenever I go for competition is how do I articulate the painting theme with a social aspect to it, by adding a social aspect to it. It's like whenever you are given a topic in a competition, you need to think how are you going to socially connect with that topic, or how can you make an impact for making a condition better, or how can you depict that social scenario better in your art form, or maybe anything about life. It has to be something very depictive, or something which is like something which is going to help in improving something or add a new dimension to a topic. So that is the main motto behind my concept development behind any project when I get during a competition. So let me talk, and I will be showing you my artwork which I had submitted for the competition in this same video, so you can see in the next slide. And like for Independence Day, when I had drawn a simple like a flag, like a saffron, white and green, but it was not just the color, but in that color also I have depicted what green color stands for, what white means for me, and white saffron means to me. So it's like I have depicted not the color, but in that color what color depicts and what social scenarios could be depicted using those colors. I have added that too in that picture. Similarly, I for my mandala competition, I tried to show how pandemic has changed the life, and how as a human race we are coping up with the new change, and what is the new normal to us, because we haven't left living, but we have adopted a new method of living in this new condition, and we are still surviving as a human. So that's very important, and that really adds plus points whenever you go for a competition. So if you're planning to go for any competition, please do keep these key points while thinking about the concept for your competition. And also let me tell you that going in a competition is not just to win, but it's just to understand and to get a taste of the art form which you get to see. So it's like participating is more important than winning. Always remember this. Even though you don't win, but you will get millions of reasons to improve, and keep improving, keep learning. That's how you will get to your goal one day. And stay safe, stay happy, and keep watching my video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel right now. Click on the bell icon down. Thank you.